Welcome. Hope you like this video.
Atomic Habits by James Clear. Chapter 17. Chapter 17 of Atomic Habits by James Clear is titled How to Make a Habit Irresistible. In this chapter, Clear explores the concept of habit formation from the perspective of making good habits more appealing and difficult to resist. Here is a detailed explanation of the key points in this chapter. 1. The role of attraction. Clear begins by emphasizing the importance of making good habits more attractive. He argues that the more appealing a habit is, the easier it becomes to integrate it into your daily life. 2. The motivation wave. Clear introduces the concept of a motivation wave, which refers to a surge of motivation or enthusiasm that can be harnessed to initiate a new habit. The key is to capitalize on this initial burst of motivation and make it easy to start the habit while the motivation is high. 3. Habit stacking revisited. Habit stacking, a concept introduced earlier in the book, is revisited as a technique for making habits more attractive. Habit stacking involves pairing a new habit with an existing one, making the new habit more convenient and appealing to perform. 4. Creating an attractive environment. Clear advises shaping your environment to support your habits. This includes making your environment more visually appealing and encouraging by reducing clutter and enhancing the aesthetics. An attractive environment can increase the desirability of engaging in positive habits. 5. Immediate rewards. The chapter emphasizes the importance of immediate rewards and instant gratification in making a habit irresistible. Immediate rewards can create a sense of accomplishment and reinforce the habit loop. Clear suggests setting up systems where you can experience small, immediate rewards after completing a habit. 6. Delayed costs and rewards. Clear discusses the concept of delayed costs and rewards. When the costs of a bad habit are immediate and the rewards are delayed, it's easier to resist the temptation. On the other hand, for good habits, you can invert this pattern. Making the rewards for good habits immediate and the costs delayed can make the habit more appealing. 7. Social influence and community. The chapter highlights the power of social influence and community in making habits attractive. Being part of a group or community that values and practices the same habits can create a sense of belonging and motivation. Social accountability can make it more enticing to stick with a habit. 8. Creating a motivation ritual. Clear introduces the concept of a motivation ritual, which is a practice that you use to get yourself excited about a habit before starting it. The ritual can be a specific action or routine that triggers motivation. The ritual primes you to view the habit as more attractive and desirable. 9. Visualization and identity. The chapter discusses the use of visualization and identity to make a habit more irresistible. Visualizing the benefits and rewards of a habit can enhance its appeal. Additionally, identifying with the habit as part of your self-identity can make it more compelling. 10. The 3 rupees, reminder, routine, and reward. Clear introduces the concept of the 3 rupees, a system for making habits more attractive and effective. Reminder, create a visual or auditory cue that reminds you to perform the habit. Routine, establish the routine or behavior you want to follow. Reward, provide an immediate reward or positive outcome after completing the habit. In summary, Chapter 17 explores the strategies for making habits irresistible by leveraging factors like motivation, habit stacking, environment, immediate rewards, social influence, motivation rituals, visualization, and identity. By applying these techniques, individuals can enhance the appeal of their habits and increase their likelihood of being maintained in the long term.
We would request you to appreciate our work by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you feel that this information is useful for any of your close friends, family members or even a colleague of yours, then please share this video with them. Our channel is dedicated to condensing the most impactful and thought-provoking books into bite-sized audio summaries that you can listen to whether you are commuting to work, working out at the gym, or simply relaxing at home. Our shorts provide you a platform to allow you to absorb knowledge effortlessly. So please subscribe.